Hi friends, it's Steffi. Welcome to another video on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Steffi Bluebear. Today I'm going to be doing or making this candy kit I got in California at a 7-Eleven, and I've had it since April, and it's like June already. I've been too busy, but finally got the time to make this. I've been wanting to make this for a while, and it actually is kind of like a candy kit that could feed like a whole pack of friends. So I'm making it because everyone in my house is off, so might as well make it and share with everyone. So this is how the box looks like. I'm not sure if it's Korean or Japanese or anything. So what it says here is that it is a party Neruneru Budo, which not sure what that is, but this is, they have like the English sticker. So let's just open this up. It has like sort of instructions and like things that it comes with on the side of the box. So let's just open it. Oh, I'm not even sure what half of this stuff is. It says 2 on it. This one says 1, or like it just says like it has apples on it. This one, I think this is like one of the candies they could put. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, this is another one of the candies that you could put. Another one of the candies. And then this is, I guess, 1. So I guess you put this one first and then you put 2 in. And then here are some sticks that you could use to like make into spoons. And then here's like a mixing spoon. And then the container is supposed to be flipped this way. So it says that I'm supposed to be, well, not says, but what I saw on YouTube, because there's no English instructions, is that I just put some water and I just fill it up to like the line of this container. So that seems good. Okay, so now we're gonna take this one. I think it's grape flavored. And we're just gonna open it up. And we're just gonna dump that in there. I'm not even sure how much we're supposed to use. Maybe all of it. I'll just put all of it. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like grape soda. So now you're just supposed to stir it up. Oh crap, I spilled some. It smells so good. It's like grape candy. You're supposed to stir it until it gets really foamy, so I guess I'm just gonna keep on stirring. This could be our dessert for like our pizza. So now after I stir, I'm supposed to put number 2 in. So let's do that. And then I'm gonna stir. And I think this should be the one to make it foamy. Oh, definitely. It's making it foamy. Oh my god! Look at how foamy it's getting! Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my gosh! Look at how cute. Oh my god, it's so cool. Like, it kind of looks like taffy now. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nice and big. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to be taking the little candies, which is like this, and I'm putting them in the containers. So let's just do that. Then this one. And then this one. And then the last one, which is this one. I'm gonna taste it, so let's just taste it now. Ooh, oh my god. So that tastes like grape soda, and when you put it in your mouth, you can feel it bubbling, and it's so really, it's like really cool, a really cool feeling, and it tastes really good. The grape flavor is not too strong, it's like a subtle flavor, but it tastes really good. So now I'm gonna take these spoons just so then the rest of my family can have some. So basically you just gotta fold it like that. So I made all my spoons. So the last thing I'm gonna be doing, it says that I could add this flavor. So then there could also be like an apple flavor. So I'm definitely gonna put that on the top. I'm not sure if I should put all of it, but I'm gonna put some. And then like mix it in, so then that the top part could also have like some flavoring to it. Oh, the apple one smells so good as well. Ooh, the apple one tastes so good. So now I'm just gonna put in all of my spoons. I'm not even sure if I made the spoons right, but it doesn't matter. I'm gonna put more of the apple one on top. You know what? I should have done that before putting the spoons in, but that's okay. It's so foamy and sticky now that I can't even stir it. It's kind of like foamy taffy. And there we go, that's the candy. Now I'm gonna put the spoons back in. So now I'm just gonna take a spoon and I'm gonna dip it in one of the candies and taste that. That's a sour candy. I'm gonna try each one. So I'm also gonna dip it in this, which looks like it's like chocolate cookie bits. Tastes good. Some sprinkles. And I'm gonna mix it up with this wrap candy. If it wants to mix. There you go. That's a really good candy. It's really fun to make. And it's really good candy, so I enjoyed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy. Comment down below, what do you think about this candy kit? Are you gonna try it out for yourself? I'd really like to know. And please subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. And until next time, bye.